Orca. Orcas live in small, close-knit groups called pods. Usually, the males live into their 40s and females into their 60s. They have no predators. Manta Ray. Manta rays have flattened bodies with flapping triangular fins, also called wings. They're usually black, gray, and white, but each ray has its own unique variations of spots and colorings. Shrimp. A shrimp is a small shellfish with long legs and a long body that has a hard casing. There are thousands of shrimp species around the world. Shrimp are excellent swimmers and are omnivores. Walrus. A walrus is a large mammal that lives in the cold Arctic seas of Europe, Asia, and North America. It is closely related to seals. The walrus can be told apart from seals by the large upper tusk and stick down from its mouth. Seahorse. Seahorses are weak swimmers and usually live along the shores among seaweed and other plants, to which they cling by their tails. They swim very slowly and stiffly. Whale shark. A whale shark is found in tropical oceans around the world. Its wide mouth is open like an enormous net scooping up whatever happens to be around, mostly small fish, fish eggs, and plants. Crayfish. Crayfish are crustaceans that are closely related to lobsters. Crayfish can eat both plants and animal matter, which makes them omnivores. A crawfish is due to its specialized gills, which enable it to breathe normal air and can survive for several days outside water as long as their gills are moist. Sperm whale. Sperm whales have the largest brain of any living animal, weighing up to 4.2 kilograms, which is about 9.2 pounds. Because sperm whales spend most of their time in deep waters, their diet consists of species such as squid, sharks, skates, and fish that also occupy deep ocean waters. Jellyfish. Jellyfish are 95% water. They have a very short lifespan. They could be older than dinosaurs. Jellyfish have no bones or fossils that are hard to come by. They don't go after humans, but sometimes they swim up against or touches one or even steps on a dead one that can be stung all the same. Crab. Crabs are invertebrates, meaning they have no backbone. All crabs are covered by hard shells that protect their internal organs. They're related to insects and spiders, but they have more legs than their creepy crawly cousins. Beluga whale. Beluga whales are the smallest species of whales. They generally live together in small groups known as pods. They're social animals and vocal communicators using the diversified language of clicks, whistles, and clangs. Lobster. Lobsters have the ability to regenerate some of their body parts. For example, the claws, walking legs, and antennae. The bottom-dwelling American lobster flourishes in cold, rocky waters off the Atlantic coast of North America. But lobsters can be found in all the world's oceans. Sea anemone. Sea anemones use their tentacles to sting the shrimps, fish, and other small animals that they eat. There are more than 1,000 species or kinds of sea anemone. They live in oceans throughout the world. Sea anemones are invertebrates, which means they do not have a backbone. Saltwater crocodile. Saltwater crocodiles can live more than 70 years. They have about 66 teeth that get replaced every 2 to 3 years and can go through over 3,000 teeth in a lifetime. They're the largest reptile in the world and can grow up to 6.5 meters long and weigh up to 1,000 kilograms. Sea urchin. Sea urchins are spiny creatures that live on the ocean floor, usually on hard surfaces. They're animals without backbones and are called invertebrates. Sea urchins are scavengers, meaning they eat whatever they find. Polar bear. Polar bears are found in the frozen wilds of the Arctic in Canada, Alaska, Greenland, Russia, and Norway. They mostly live alone, and they feed mainly on sea mammals, especially seals. The mantis shrimp. Mantis shrimp use their sharp claws to attack or hunt. They feed on worms, crabs, many types of fish, and even other shrimps that come under their attack.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun.
Whale. Whales are mammals, not fish. They're warm-blooded and give birth to live young, and nurse their offsprings with milk. The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth. They're even bigger than the biggest dinosaurs. Sea cucumber. Sea cucumbers have elongated cucumber-like bodies that are thickest in the middle. They have distinct front and rear ends, with 10 finger-like tentacles around their mouth. Sea cucumbers do not have a brain.
That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
You can subscribe.